Hey guys, what's going on? Real quick, I want you to watch this whole video. I'm just making a quick little video. I'm living life in the Caribbean, right on the beach in Mexico. This is a quick little video on how to make a very quick 10-minute, takes 10 minutes to make a very healthy, quick breakfast so you can fuel up your body and have an amazing day. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you all the secret ingredients I used. And also, I'm gonna give you a couple of tips on how you can live a better life. And I'm also gonna give you one free thing where you can start making money selling food online. Let's get it. Everybody says you have to have a YouTube intro video, so here's my intro video. Keep watching my video, smash the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe. Subscribe right now. There's your intro. Let's get back to the video. Wait, they also said in your intro you have to have some cool music. So here's my music. Ready? Listen. Let's live life in paradise, baby. There you go. Not bad. Keep watching. Okay, so we got a busy day today. It's December 14th. My little girl's mom has to fly back to Peru tomorrow, so we're going to take her to the beach, go to the ocean, have a great time, go shopping, go buy some souvenirs. And I'll send you a video on all that. But real quick, I'm going to show you what I got. I got 2 eggs, chopped up tomato, chopped up jalapeno pepper, chopped up red pepper, chopped up onion, and a little garlic there. Wow, does that look good? Let's throw it in the pan, let's mix it up, and let's get something in our belly. Okay, so all the stuff that was on the cutting board is now in here. Now just mix this up real quick for about 30 seconds. Doesn't that look good? Look how healthy that is. We got tomato, we got onions, we got garlic, we got peppers, jalapeno. Wow, this is a Caribbean omelet. Now you take that sucker and you pour it right in there. Now we gotta turn this on, we're gonna cook it, and let's get moving. Look at that. Wow, this is my Caribbean omelet. I'll send you all the ingredients in the link in the description. Let's cook this. And just so you know, I'm holding my iPhone to try and show you this video, which is not very easy. I'm by myself here. My little girl, her mom, and the baby, they're out. I'm by myself here. But let's see how this looks, okay? Now we're gonna take this. I think we're good to go. Wow, look at that. And we're going to flip this. We're gonna flip this over so we have an omelet. Look at that, perfect. Look at that, look at that. Wow, 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 wow. Now just take this and move it over here a little bit. Okay, push it down just gently, not too much. Look at that, does that look amazing or what? This took me about, so far, I would say this took me, I've been working on this for about 7 or 8 minutes. I chopped up the vegetables, I cracked the eggs, I mixed it up, I put it in the pan. Now it's almost done. I think it's burning, hold on. Okay, so now we're gonna take this, we're gonna flip it over one last time. Press it down like that. Perfect. Look at that. Amazing. And now we're going to put a little pepper on there. Little pepper. Okay. And we're going to eat this sucker. Let's eat it. And then again, in the link in the description, look for the ingredients. Smash the like button. Click my notification bell. Watch all my different playlists. Guys, I'm a money-making master. I show people how to make money online all over the world. I'm in Mexico right now. I've been traveling for 3.5 years. We got a brand new year coming up in about 15, 16 days. And if you want, I will show you how to change your life. In the link in the description below, click on my WhatsApp, my email, and get on a live call with me. I'll show you how to get up to $10,000 in the next 30 days. Hey, let's try and get $10,000 in the next 2 weeks, right? Then, oh, I gotta go, but this is burning. So there we go, guys. There's the finished product. That took about 11 minutes, almost 12 minutes, not too bad. But I got a beautiful Caribbean Spanish omelet there. 2 eggs, tomato, pepper, jalapeno, onion, and garlic. Amazing. So again, my name is James Paradise. I live in the Caribbean. I've been here for, well, I come back and forth between the Caribbean and the USA and Asia. I go to Asia a lot because I have a lot of business over there in Singapore and Thailand. I do business all over the world. So listen, I'm an online mentor. What I do is I teach people how to live a better lifestyle. That's the name of my channel, called My Paradise Lifestyle. I live a life of paradise. So if you are interested in that, smash the like button. Do me a favor. Come on, guys. This is what all us YouTubers do. We help each other. Click the notification bell, click all, get all my videos, and subscribe. Click that subscribe button. Look out, wow, does that look good or what? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Click the subscribe button and share this video and learn how to cook healthy, good food so you can have a lot of energy all day and also live a longer life. in paradise. If you're interested in me helping you to live a life in paradise, all you need to do is make a comment and say, James, give me some info. I want to get on a live call. Send me your mobile number. Send me your country code and your mobile number. Give me your email. I will get on. That's right. You can talk to me live. I will get on the phone with you live, only if you're serious. Let's eat a healthy breakfast. I'll see you in the next video. Keep watching. Oh my God, this is absolutely amazing. Living life in paradise, baby. Keep watching later. I'm going to show you some videos. I'm digging into this omelet here of when we go to the ocean, the beach in Mexico. You're not going to believe what it looks like, guys. Keep watching. Watch the next video. Watch all my videos. Learn how to live a life in paradise. I think I put too much hot sauce on.